we had done a workshop after 10 for career guidance. So that time, Kiana thoda trained था. Then we joined all of us together and we started doing small things. Like, and for me personally, I always believe that we should help children because, like, yes, of course, environment matter, people do a lot for old age people and everything. But I believe that like India has to really become a superpower, but to focus on children. Because if we lift out of say two children out of poverty and then we are empowering an entire family. So that was the thought process behind it. So we limited ourselves to children. We work for child rights, child health and child education. Those three segments. So any of the projects that you can find on our website also, all of them are in and around them, children. So we do two types of projects. One is fundraising and one is grassroots. So Food for Thought is a fundraising project. Why fundraising? Because we all are college students. Most of us from engineering background.
Needed to do any activity.
Yes. So and of course we pull in from our pocket money, but that is never sufficient. So we try to raise funds, lot of funds.
Take me down to the river bend. Take me down to the fighting end. Wash the poison from off my skin. Show me how to be whole again. Fly me up on a silver wing, past the black where the sirens sing. Warm me up in a nova's glow, and drop me down to the dream below. 'Cause I'm only a crack in this castle of glass. Hardly anything there for you to see, for you to see.
I think Asman is a really nice concept. As such, it is being run by youth, which is motivating people around of the same age group to come up with their own startups and give back to the society. Keep it up, Asman.
Bring me home in a blinding dream, through the secrets that I've seen. Wash the sorrow from off my skin, and show me how to be whole again. 'Cause I'm only a crack in this castle of glass. Hardly anything there for you to see, for you to see.
We all are from AIT. Like it's amazing because people usually go to Manek Chowk and so many places and it's crowded and you just pay so much over there. In such discomfort you have to eat there. But here it's been made in a very hygienic manner by trained college students. And best thing it's done for the underprivileged children. And I think it's great because Asma Foundation has been working for it's the third attempt. So I think it's great. And moreover, the best part is that we all can, we get a chance to contribute for the society. So thank you so much for all the initiatives.
Hi Asman people, we love Food for Thought idea. You can see how much we have eaten already.
'Cause I'm only a crack in this castle of glass. Hardly anything else I need to be,